9 million in Clermont, Florida. Let's see what it can get us. We have 12 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 9,455 square feet, and 54 acres with lakefront. Of course, a $9 million home would not be complete without a pool. But seriously, how big is this pool? Cause like, do we see all these cabanas? Like, that's a lot. Now let's go to a bunch of games outside. All this racket and business. I don't know what half these games are. Now we're gonna go to the living room slash movie theater and kitchen number one. You heard me, kitchen number one. There is multiple in this house because with a 9,000 square foot house, you need more than one. Then we have cute little Batman game and kitchen number two. If you want to know how many kitchens are in this house, you'll have to stick through to the very end to find out. Now let's move on to the bedroom that reminds me of my vacation in Tennessee one Christmas. And look at that soaker tub. He must be nice. Let's get a move on to kitchen number three. Is this the last one? I guess you'll have to stay tuned and find out. Now we're going to my favorite room of the house. It's a game room slash bedroom. Then last but not least, kitchen number four. Yep, because you will get hungry walking around the pool itself. And that is it for this home tour. If you want more of this house, let me know in the comments. Have a good one.